Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello, everyone. It's great to have you here.
We're excited for today's topic because it's one of the most common questions in English.
Tell me about yourself.
Exactly. People ask it all the time in interviews, classes, or when meeting new people.
But sometimes it's hard to know what to say, right?
Yes, so today we'll make it simple, fun, and easy to remember.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode.
It really helps our channel grow. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's start with the basics. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you can start with your name and where you're from.
For example, my name is David. I'm from the United Kingdom.
Great! Or, "My name is Anna. I'm from Australia."
Simple, right? Let's practice together, listeners. Repeat after me. My name is... I'm from...
Excellent. Now let's add more information, like where you live.
I live in a small town.
I live in a big city.
You can mix them. My name is David. I'm from the UK, and I live in London.
Perfect. Let's slow down and repeat for pronunciation.
I live in a small town.
I live in a big city.
Practice makes perfect.
Now let's talk about what you do.
You can say, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student.
Or, I work in a bank. I study English. I'm a designer.
Remember, if you don't work, you can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm retired.
Let's practice. I'm a teacher.
I'm a student.
I'm an engineer.
Great job, everyone.
So, David, tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is David. I'm from the UK. I live in London, and I'm an English teacher.
Nice. Here's mine. My name is Anna. I'm from Australia. I live in Sydney, and I'm a content creator.
That's a great example.
Notice how short and clear it is? You don't need long sentences.
Exactly. Keep it simple, friendly, and confident.
Let's make it more personal. You can also talk about your family.
Yes, for example, I have one brother, or I have two sisters.
Or, I live with my parents.
Let's try together. Repeat after us. I have one brother.
I have one sister.
I live with my family.
Good. Now, David, tell me, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Her name is Lucy. She's a student.
How nice. I have two brothers. They both live in Melbourne.
Wow, so your family is close by?
Yes, and we meet every weekend for dinner.
That's wonderful.
See how we can make our answers friendly and natural?
Yes, when you talk about family, keep it short and positive.
Another fun way to talk about yourself is to mention your pets or favorite things.
That's true. You can say, I have a dog, or I have a cat.
Or, I love animals.
Anna, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's very cute and sleeps all day.
Haha, sounds like a true cat. I have a dog, Max. He's full of energy.
So we're a cat person and a dog person.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about likes and dislikes.
You can say, I like pizza. I love music. I don't like spicy food.
Repeat after us. I like.
I love.
I don't like.
Anna, what do you like?
I love painting and listening to music. What about you?
I love playing soccer and listening to music.
Wonderful. These answers sound natural and friendly.
And you can connect them. I love music, so I often go to concerts. I love reading, so I visit the library every week.
Excellent.
Now let's review what we learned today.
Yes, when you answer, tell me about yourself, you can include your name, where you're from, where you live, your job or study, your family, your hobbies and likes.
That's right. And you can choose how much to say, short or long.
Let's give two examples, a short one and a long one.
Short version. Hi, my name is David. I'm from the UK. I'm a teacher. I like music.
Long version. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm from Australia. I live in Sydney and I am a content creator. I love painting and reading books in my free time. I have a cat named Luna.
Perfect.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Pause this video and practice saying your own introduction.
Remember, confidence is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Practice every day and it will become natural.
Before we go, please like, subscribe, and share this episode.
And in the comments, tell us about yourself.
We'd love to read your introductions.
Thank you all for joining us today.
Stay safe and keep practicing.
See you next time on Daily English Practice.
Bye, everyone.